welcome to C10 Bmx. Stuck at home, so what we're going to do is build a ramp out of the scrap wood I have on the side of the house. I kind of wanted a step-up spine and just ramps I can move around and add on to later. It's kind of narrow, so hopefully I don't fall off the side too many times. Eventually, when the skate park's open, we're going to be taking my 1967 Chevy C10 out, do road trips in that, go to different skate parks, see what is over here on the West Coast. I lived at Woodward East for about 12 years. I used to run the bike program there, and I also used to travel around and do shows at high schools, and then I also used to do some contests, but I ended up on the ground a lot more than I ended up on the podium. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see for how-to videos next. I'm going to try to do those every Tuesday. Alright, today's the day to ride the ramp. We'll see how this thing goes. Hopefully I don't fall off too much. I wrote down 5 tricks I'm going to try to get done on this thing today. Pretty hard. Technical tricks. I'm a little worried about how narrow the ramp is, but this is day 1. If you guys like any of these tricks, let me know what you guys want to see next week. Try not to kill myself the first day, but I also thought it'd be fun to write down some pretty hard ones. If you guys have any requests for Tuesday's how-to video, this ramp's a little narrow, so I can't do everything on it, but I'll try to make it happen. But this is what you do when you got some free wood laying around the house. We'll see how she goes. This thing needs to be so much wider. It's horrifying. Just a 270 tack, you feel like I'm gonna have to ice pick way over here just to be able to nose pick. Dying here. One trick down, I think 4 to go. I'm getting all the hard ones first. It's ridiculous. I'm exhausted. That first one sucked. a sprocket, spin your bars, catch, hopefully get the front brake level, and then hop and nose the bottom part. The other one took forever. That was pretty fun. The ramp's a little mellow to get the sprocket to hit right. But we're champions here, we're not here to complain. Woo! Number 6, done. Disaster bar to nose. I felt like those are the 3. The ice over fakie is pretty hard. The nose down, probably a big gap too, but we'll see. I might have to case a couple of those. Down below, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. Also, if you like this channel, please subscribe. So I put it out on a throwback video of some old riding back when I was a little younger, a little more contest style. And all my friends that helped get me there along the way. So watch that video.